Lead the way. Hello, my name is Brandon A. Thomas, and I am a graduated student from Full Sail University. From months of hard work and dedication, I earned a bachelor's degree of science in digital cinematography. Afterwards, I continued to use my newly gained knowledge and got to work on projects and internships with my colleagues. I grew up loving the behind-the-scenes disc, sometimes even more than the actual movie. I have always had a fascination with how these ideas get from paper to the big screen. I would like you all, respectively, to keep inspiring others and keep contributing to the mission at TBS. As a digital cinematographer, I can adapt content for a variety of mediums. I am another film lover who was raised in the American foster care system. I am sharing this with you so you know of my struggles, then maybe you can understand how passionate I am. I only live my life to love and inspire others. In high school, I attended the Golden Hours Career Academy and took my first classes in audio-video technology. My teacher, Kevin Pullen, loved to give me new hands-on experiences. I operated cameras, created news stories, set up stage lights, and directed other classmates. I was intrigued by it all. Growing up, I fell in love with books before film. I enjoyed reading The Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Star Wars, A Series of Unfortunate Events, and almost any other series you can name. I am simply a fan with a dream. We all started out as fans with a dream. Getting here was not easy. You cannot change what happened in the past, but you can keep moving forward. The message I want to stress is the ability to use stories, television, and books as an outlet. People look forward to the content provided by Turner Studios. It is all created by inspiring people like yourself. Around the world, people see your message. I am living proof that anyone can chase their dreams if you never give up and keep fighting. I have a love for film that I cannot explain. I think it is because behind the amazing cutscenes, the spooky jump scares, the awe-inspiring sports moments, and even the most painful headlines, there is still a chance and opportunity to reach someone who needs it. I cannot watch a movie without noticing every aspect that went into it. Let us work together now and carry on what we have learned all along the way. Lead the way, as I have. I dedicated much time, energy, and effort into my work. My purpose as a student was to create dynamic content by emulating the workflow of an actual studio. I share knowledge with you in script development, production planning, art design, and location shootings. In fact, I have gotten to shoot and edit video all throughout the state of Florida, working on projects with some of my colleagues. During my directing course, I used basic and advanced directing techniques to product a group project. I was casting, acting, and even composing music. I love everything about the creative process and the work that goes into it. The results at delivery are well worth it. I studied, became a clear communicator, and refined the skills taught to me by Full Sail University. After graduation, I still worked on perfecting my craft. I shot and edited my own videos and posted them on Instagram. Using script writing techniques, I worked on my own screenplay, The Universe is Speaking, and I hope to one day share that story with the world. Lead the way, fellow people with a dream. And thank you for taking time to listen to my message. I know it is your most precious resource in an industry where time is often unavailable. Allow us to continue the mission at TBS to inspire, create, and broadcast new content for others to enjoy every day. Ted Turner founded TBS years ago. Let's carry on what he planned. Teamwork and great communication can build relationships that could last for years. If you allow us to work together, the future of engaging content creators seems bright.